Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to the channel where we talk about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. Welcome to Global Warrior Magazine Pie channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be actually diving into Spreadshirt because I get a lot of the question from you guys. I have uploaded a video a few weeks back only talking about getting my for sale on the Spreadshirt. If you're new to the Spreadshirt and if you're really looking that kind of content, then make sure you check it out that video, how long it took me to get the for sale. I have entirely talked about and documented my journey in that video. I'm gonna leave them in the card section above. But anyways, after uploading that video, I got a few of the comments from you guys. You were asking me to actually show you how to sign up on Spreadshirt because it's a little bit tricky to sign up on the Spreadshirt, and I got a lot many errors when I was trying to sign up and open up my designer account on that. So I'm gonna be showing you exactly the method to actually sign up on Spreadshirt, the way which I did. Of course, it may be different for some other people. Maybe they have some more knowledge about it, but I am kind of like a newbie to the Spreadshirt world. So I'm going to be showing you how I actually sign up onto the Spreadshirt in a second on my laptop. So that's the video we're going to comprise to sign up on the Spreadshirt, the process which I actually did for myself. So let's dive into today's video. Before go park, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. We upload video every single week. When we do so, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, we have a lot of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. You can support me and my channel on the Patreon. The link is in the description box below. You're gonna get early access to my YouTube videos, exclusive voting rights, keyword list, niche ideas, a lot more is there. Make sure you check it out. The link is in the description box below. But anyway, guys, let's dive into today's tutorial, to this video of actually signing up into the Spreadshirt. So let's dive into my laptop and the process begins. Currently, we are on the Spreadshirt. You can see it's a www.spreadshirt.com. This is a platform, or this is a website actually look like. Now there are plenty of the options you see on the homepage: the create, custom product, shop, marketplace designs. You can create your own designs if you want to purchase them. You're gonna see most likely the option, the start selling option. So you can very well scroll down and you can read their page and check their products if you really want to go into that stuff. But we are interested in opening up our shop, so probably I'm gonna go over to the option start selling button. That's a green button. Here you're gonna see options where designs comes to grow, make money selling your designs on over 200 products, always free, always. So you have the two options: sell on the marketplace or open up your Spreadshop. Now Spreadshop is kind of like a Teespring store, kind of like you can say, where you have your own customized store where you bring your own customers and can expect to make the sales, and you can share on the social media and all that stuff. Okay, and this is their marketplace where you can actually sell their designs. That is on their Spreadshirt marketplace. So I'm gonna quickly use both of these two options and show you the difference between them and how to bypass the error that you're getting when you're actually signing up onto the Spreadshirt. Okay, so if you go over to the option sell on the marketplace, let me click over that, open a link, new tab. This kind of error 405 not allowed, and this kind of error you're gonna get. Okay, this I get a lot many times, and still I get it when I'm not actually signing into my account. But what you have to do, instead of going over to the option sell on the marketplace, you go over to the option open your own Spreadshop. Now I get it, you don't want to open your own Spreadshop, you also want to sell on their marketplace. But guys, please go over with this particular option, and then I'm going to be showing you how you can actually sell on the marketplace as well, in apart from just selling on the Spreadshop. So you have to go over to the option open your own Spreadshop. When you're going to click over to the option, you're gonna see this kind of stuff. Register for free now, write your shop name. So probably whatever shop name you want to write, just go and write it over here. I mean, depending on whatever your brand name look like. But since we are creating for the sake of this tutorial, so I'm gonna write as a shop tutorial. That's it. Okay, this is just a random name that was coming in my mind. You can keep anything and you can write anything according to your brand name. Own email address, here we are. Okay, I have entered the password, I've entered the email address, I've entered the shop name. I'm gonna click over to this option, I'm not a robot, and get started now. The moment you sign in, you are signing into your Spreadshop. Okay, you are signing on to the Spreadshirt. You can actually take their tour, upload your designs, create your products, and sell them to your target group. Create products, Spreadshop, activate Spreadshop. I mean, you can actually go through their guided tour if you want to know about their platform. They probably can help you, but we are not looking forward to that, so I'm just gonna cross that. Okay, so this is a kind of like a dashboard of Spreadshirt will going to look like, but we have to do one thing over here, guys. Before that, we won't be able to sell on their marketplace. So what you have to do over here, you can see shop over here. This is your spread shop. Okay, we need to add another sales channel, so you're gonna see an option, set up sales channel. So click over to this option, set up sales channel. Now you already have a spread shop. Okay, you already have this spread shop. There's the benefits for spread shop sellers. You can read about it, high commission industry, control your shop's look and feel, choose which product you want to sell in the marketplace. But we need to add another sales channel over here to actually sell the products on the Spreadshirt marketplace. So you can read the benefits for marketplace sellers, share your designs with 80,000 plus daily visitors, earn with your designs 100% free, access to campaigns, Amazon and eBay. We're gonna click over to this option, sell on Spreadshirt. Boom, guys, we have our marketplace that is called as a showroom. Showroom is called as a Spreadshirt marketplace shop. Okay, and this one is the option that you are seeing as the spread shop. Now you could see your showroom looks like this currently. This is the showroom, or this is the shop you can call, which is live there on the Spreadshirt marketplace. All the designs that you're gonna be uploading on the Spreadshirt account, it will going to be live in your spread shop as well, and in this particular showroom as well. The showroom will going to help you get the sales via the Spreadshirt marketplace. Okay, now you can customize it. You can upload your profile picture, banner image, you can write the name, you can choose the color, the description, you can create a new topic, you can either share it, you can do whatever you want to do in your own showroom. You can visit your showroom. The link is here if you want to see how it actually looking like. And if you click over to the option, the shop, that is a spread shop, you are getting a spread shop setup. Now this is a customized shop that you can have, and you can start selling on your shop, and you can bring the customers to your shop. And this is a great way if you're really looking forward to make a kind of like a merge customized, highly customized shop. Okay, but we are interested in the showroom because showroom is your Spreadshirt marketplace shop. It's called as a showroom in Spreadshirt language. Okay, now you're getting a pretty bunch of the option over here, the dashboard, the designs, the statistics, then you have the tips and tools, then you have the notification, then this is a sales channel, this is your account, right, the shop. You can share your social media links over here, and you can do that whatever you want to show in your showroom. You can actually upload a design. So on the left hand side, you're gonna see the option, the dashboard. Click over to the dashboard option. You're gonna see a lot of the stuff over here. Create product, choose your spread name, set up spread shop, activate spread shop. Okay, we have to add the products, then only we can activate our shop, spread shop. And you can see you're getting a starter class 0 to 50. Your publishing limit shows you how many designs you can publish on the marketplace. So they have their publishing limit kind of like a Amazon, where you're allowed to upload 50 designs, and once your 50 designs have been uploaded, you're no longer allowed to upload more designs unless you actually get some sales and you reach to the next level. Then only you're allowed to upload new designs. And this is the starter design. You can read this question mark and go much depth about reading this particular stuff over here. No sales here because it's a new shop. You can go over to the option, the account over here, and you can do the account settings, your personal settings, then your account settings. If you want to do it, let me just discard it. Then you see the newsletter subscriptions. You can change your avatar. You can see the payment data, tax status. You can connect the device, and you can do a lot of the stuff over here. Okay, I'll just gonna go over to the option dashboard again. Go over to the option, the create products. Okay, or you can simply click over to the option designs as well, and you're gonna land up something like that. So you're gonna see file type, JPG, PNG, ZIF, SVG, AI, CDR. Upload your design here and start creating product. So let me just select one design so that I actually show you how to upload a design on Spreadshirt. Just click over to the option browse, and I'm just gonna choose one pattern. So you could see the upload status, and we have our design over here. Okay, you can upload more design, you can drag more designs over here, and all the designs will going to come over here. You can see all your designs when they're gonna come. Now this one, the design that I actually uploaded. Now title, tag, and description. So I'm just gonna go over to this pencil icon, and you are getting this particular option: sell on the marketplace or Spreadshop. I'm gonna click over to the Spreadshop as well, and I'm gonna click over to this toggle option for selling on the marketplace as well. You have to select this particular option over here to sell in the marketplace. If you're not selecting one, your designs won't be live in the Spreadshirt marketplace. So make sure when you're uploading your designs onto the Spreadshirt, just switch on this toggle button for selling on the marketplace, and for Spreadshop just toggle this button on. So you have to do this part, you can't miss it up, guys. You have to choose your sales channel, whether it's the marketplace, whether it's Spreadshop, and you can see you have 50 designs published in your marketplace. You have the limitation. Okay, I already talked about that. Then you quickly go over to the option next. Now you are getting the product templates over here. Right now I have the 3 product templates, that's the posters only. Okay, so I'm just gonna click over to the option all products, and here you're gonna see the all products. You can simply click over to the select all, or you can very well go over to the individual products and you can select the toggle button, whichever product you want, whichever color you want. You can see the different colors that are available. You can quickly select the colors that you want for your products. You can just scroll down and you're gonna see all the products the Spreadshirt has, the different kinds of the t-shirts and all the stuffs you're gonna see over here. On this trucker cap or not, I can toggle this button off, or I can toggle this button on. I have selected the select all option, so that's where all the product have been selected. If you want to select the individual product, then very well you can go forward and do that. You can see all the products over here. Once you have done with that, then click over to the option done. Now they have chosen the 174 products. You can see 174 products have been chosen, and you can see how your designs have been looking on each and individual product. If you don't like that, you can change the color, or you can delete the product altogether. You can click over to this option, the cross, and you can remove that particular product, and you can click over to this pencil icon, and you can adjust your product. Like you can adjust your design size, you can increase the size. You can see this is the area your design will going to look like. You can increase the size, but it's going outside the print area. You can do it to center vertically. You can choose the product color, like you can choose whatever product color you want to. I think I'm gonna choose white over here, and yeah, you can print the areas, and you can have in the front and back both. This is on the front only. Once you're done, click over to the option apply. So we have selected all the products, and then we know how to actually edit every individual product if we want to edit them, if our designs are not looking apt on them. Okay, you can remove the products from here by clicking over to this cross icon. Once you have done that, you have to go over to the option that's the next. Now here you have the automatic language translation. You can do that because they're gonna show you one more language. I think they have some different language over here. So they have the French. So here you have to write your design name. So I'm just gonna quickly write my design name: pink, blue, green, abstract, texture, art, design. I mean, you can write design name according to it. Okay, then you have the description. Write the description of your product or description of your design. Beautiful, textured, colorful design. Here we go. Then we have the tags. So you have 25 tags limit. So you are allowed to use 25 tags. Make sure you use all of them. Okay. I'm gonna write texture, pattern. Then you can see they are giving you the tag suggestion which is relevant to your design or not. If you see that these are relevant to your design, make sure you select them. Pink is there, blue is there, abstract is there, art is there, design is there. Then you can see design. So I have selected few of them. Let me just write furthermore, background. I can write it as a rainbow, multicolored. Then I have another tag suggestions. You can see if it's related to your design. No, it's not related to my design, so I'm not going to be selecting them. So I have written 10 tags. You can write 25 out of 25 depending on how you want to write, but this is just for the sake of the tutorial, so I'm going to stick with 10 only. You can write more, okay? Then you need to go over to the option create. So once you create the option, you're gonna get this particular option. Almost there, just one last thing you have to do. I haven't entered my name and address, so that's why I can't upload my design. So you have to enter your name, your address. We will verify your address once you apply the changes. So you can select the company if you're a company. If you're not a company, then don't select that. Just write your first name, last name, your country, your state, your street address, your name, and once you're done with that, just click over to the yes and click over to the done option. Okay, so you have to write this particular your name and address, then only they're gonna allow you to sell on their platform. So make sure you do that. I'm gonna quickly go over to this particular. So boom, our product has been created. We have entered the name and address, and first step we have done, that is to create the products. Now you can choose a spread name. You can set your spread shop and you can activate if you want to do that. If not, then click over to this option. Okay, so you could see this is a design we have uploaded. You can see it's in review for Spreadshirt Marketplace. They're gonna review your design, and once they have reviewed it, it'll gonna be live in the marketplace. Whether they accept it or reject it, they're gonna let you know. You can see all this stuffs in your dashboard. If they have accepted it, it will be live there in the Spreadshirt Marketplace. You can see 174 products, the metadata, you can edit them and you can do all the options over here. Okay, so I have shown you how to sign up on Spreadshirt, how to upload your design, how to add your name and address. I've shown you a lot of the options. So that's it for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed it, you find it useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Are you signing up onto the Spreadshirt or not? Are you selling onto the Spreadshirt or not? Or are you thinking about it? What's your experience with the Spreadshirt? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. But anyways, thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I'm gonna see you in the next video with a next new topic. Till then, take care. Bye guys.